Right, we're back down at York, and this is probably the most iconic Range Rover you're gonna recognise in it. It is the Range Rover SVR. It's a great looking machine, and it looks well in blue. It's probably one of the popular colours, is it, for these SVRs? I've had a quick look round it. We'll get onto the damage at the front in a minute, but let's have a quick look round it, and then we'll do the bits that are easy. So inside, what's going on inside one of these? Well, there's a bit of luxury in compared to some Range Rovers, isn't it? This inside, it's very swanky and nice. Doesn't start at the minute. It's completely dead. Well, again, I can't obviously say why it won't start, but if the airbags have gone off, with the pyro fuse have gone on one of these, I don't honestly know. But there's a key with it, and it seems to have this with it as well. I wouldn't imagine that is a factory thing, so whether there's something extra on it. It has got a meta security. There we go, it's got a meta security thing on it. It looks really smart, so I can't get the seats back sadly to get in it. But obviously everything's electric. These carbon parts on it, and they actually feel like proper. Feel really nice them. Feel really good. Seats, but these bucket seats are nice to sit in, but even I can't get between there, I don't think. But yeah, smart little embossed in SVR logo. Oh, multimedia stuff in there. Micro SD card, USBs in there. Got a cup holder thing there. All this would probably light up, wouldn't it? All this would come on. It's a shame. Pan roof, obviously in this. Like Alcantara roof linings, all look pretty good. Interior looks smart, you just need that airbag sorting done out because dashboard one ain't gone off. So you've saved yourself some money there, haven't we? You're going to have to sort that airbag out in there. It has got a sticker on this car, and we'll explain what it means if you're not sure. Again, a bit more carbon look there. Seats look half decent in back. Can we get in the boot? There is some trims in the boot, look. I can't get in the boot because it's shut. I don't know how to get the seats on one of these forward. Is there a lever to press? Let's have a look. I don't know. I don't know how you move the seat. It's too posh for me, this, isn't it? There we go. As you can see, look, somebody's had a little furry friend in here. It's not the end of the world, that, if you're used to stuff like this. But just be careful, obviously. Rodents, there's a sticker on it to advise you to be careful. But he's obviously had a little bit of a playtime in there, hasn't he? I don't know why they do it. Because it's like, they get fixated on building houses, don't they? He had a proper little munch there, hasn't he? Look. So he's probably run away when they started to move it around. But it happens in cars, doesn't it? All Alcantara roof, line in the back. All looks very nice and neat in the front and back. Just that bit down there, you can sort that. It's not the end of the world, is it? Let's come around this side here. Wheels look good. Discs just want to clean up. Wheels don't look battered. Coming around boat, I'll give it a bit of a wash off. One of my specialities of washing cars. Definitely get a job here, would I, doing that. But it looks, you know, I've put the hose pipe on it and it does light up really nice blue, but you can see for a big car, there's not much, that's just dust in it, look, it all wants a real proper balloting, and just be careful of this, yeah, that's it. Some have mold stickers and stuff like that, will just protect you and the people that work here. This don't look bad. Can't get glove box because locking wheel nut key on there, but they can be easily removed with the right tools. Down this side, don't look too bad, does it? There's a bit of a mark there, isn't there? Look, bit of a mark there to sort out. Again, front discs. They look pretty good, them, to be honest. There's no lips and out on them, so I don't even. I think it books at 30-odd thousand. This maybe 36 grand or something. So it's on good money at the minute. It's on good money at the minute, I believe. Yeah, I would imagine that will bring that down. So I can't even get in the glove box to SVR logo there. I can't even get in the glove box to check the locking wheel nut keys here. Again, door shut all right. Let's come around the business end of the car, shall we? So front head bumper's completely gone on it. Obviously that's no brainer, that, innit? Headlight, headlight, aircon radiator maybe. This, but let's get more interested in the chassis damage on this, if it's got any. I don't think it has. I've had a good look at it. Got some, you need all this wiring out there, part of the headlight in it, that's gone. But this down here, look, this don't look too bad here. That leg looks alright there. Cross member looks like it's had a little bit of a smack there, but this, let's just pull this, can we get into here? Can we get in back of there and have a look? Don't look too bad there. There we go, look. Let's get this out of the way, look. It's going to fall out that anyway. Let's take that out of the way. There we go, look. Back of here. That don't look too bad in there, does it? So it looks like somebody, maybe, has just swiped this corner. So they've maybe turned or something. Just totally hit that side with something a lot lower than this. Bump bonnets. Somebody's going to be able to fix it out there. Somebody's going to pull that out and sort that out. You might get away with that bonnet. Let's get the engine up and have a look, shall we? Here we go, look. Yeah, so lads have had a positive on here to try and get some power to it, but it's potentially pyro fuse in it. These lads know what they're doing here. If there's no power to it, there's no power to it. So I doubt you'll be driving it away. It will need recovering. Washer bottle's gone. Headlights obliterated. Inner wings don't look too bad, do. This all looks pretty good here. Let's give you some new parts for there. That's all intact there. So it looks like you're just going to need complete front bumper. Parking sensors are still here, look. These are still here, look. So that would come right round here, wouldn't it? We've lost one off there. So just bear that in mind, parking sensor loom. But you've got this bit here, they're coded. I've no idea on this kind of car at all. This. Would that work? I don't honestly know, to be honest. To be fair, it's tinted, but I don't think it's... Well, I can't say out, can I? But I've seen worse on cars, so you never know with that. But you're gonna need some new brackets. I mean, I'll put this in the boot because it'll have part numbers on for you to get new ones. All up here. Grill's gone and everything like that. Wheel arch liner. Maybe get away with that. But all in all, it's not a bad looking. It's not a bad looking truck, is it? It's not bad at all, this, is it? To be fair, it's not a bad looking machine. This window's gone here. There's a picture of that, and I'll put some pictures at the end. And if you like these videos, the stuff I do, hit that subscribe button. You know, I might just do one that you won't. This could be more viable to buy for most of the cars we do. Most cars we do in the 20, 30, 40,000 pound range. But this, somebody might get this for a bit of a steal, but it needs a window in there, remember that. There's a lot number if you are interested in it. And let's see if I can work out what these means. Received. Is it something on runner? What does I mean? We'll have to get used to this. I'll have to ask for a little bit of a code, won't I? And PS, I don't know what PS means. They've all got their own wording, haven't they? We'll have to try and ask what. So it is accident, obviously, type accident. All the information's on the lot number, and if you want any more information, contact Coparts at York. They'll give you any information you can. Ring the help desk up. They'll provide you with information if you are as a buyer. I'm sure they will assist you in any way they can. Got nice side steps on it, but it does look smart, doesn't it? It does look smart. There we go. What you can do is a bit of a wash cheat. What I'll do is I'll put the hose pipe on it, and we'll see it sparkle, won't we? Watch. If I do that, there we go, look. It's just the dust in it and everywhere else, that's all. Looks nice, doesn't it? looks really nice, doesn't it, in that blue? A real standout colour. There we go, look. There we go. So you can imagine what this thing would look like if it was all professionally valeted and done up. It'd look really smart. I bet it sounds really well. It says SVR, special vehicle. So there we go. What do we think? Do we like it? Are you going to bid on it? It's down as, I think, a category N. Repair. And it ain't that horrendous, is it, that? Looking at the damage, it's all superficial. But there's a reason why it's here. Obviously through insurance and the cost of it all from the dealership. And everything's got to be dealership brand new. So I'd imagine the SVR stuff ain't cheap at all. But if you've got a bit of time on your hands to fix it, a bit of time to look for parts, you never know, you might be onto a bit of a winner. This is, what's this like here? It's all, that's gone. Is that part of that? Yep, so all the scuttle panel's missing here. Just had a quick look at this. So all this part here is going to want replacing. So the whole front crash side of it's done its job. And yeah, should be fixable. Remember, airbag's gone off, so it has gone with a bit of a hit. So it's maybe caught the airbag sensor and let it go. But don't think you get definitely fix that bonnet, wouldn't you? Why do that? There we go, look. That seems to line up there, doesn't it, as well? Yep, bit down there, look. That just might be a clip, that, from sorting it out. What's it like underneath? Shall we see if we can get underneath it? I'm kitted up for my rough gear on. Underneath. There we go, underneath. So there's some exhaust, looks all standard on it. Let me put my camera right. Leave my camera right under there for you. There you go, look. Can you see underneath? Oh, there we go. Don't look too bad underneath. Air suspension. There we go. Yucky thump. There we go. What do you think? Are you going to bid on it? Let me know in the comments. It's another one that we've done for Coparts. I think it's a nice looking truck. And hopefully you're going to want to bid on it if you remember. Right, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, massive shout out to Coparts for letting me come and do these. They're nice looking cars. Shame it will start, never mind. Right, thanks very much everyone, thanks for watching. Good luck and hope you win it. Bye for now.